Did you know? In the Philippines, there's a chilling superstition. They say if you look into a mirror and your reflection is headless, your life is in danger. Some say it's a warning, others a curse, but one thing's certain, if your reflection loses its head, you might be next. Watch carefully in this video.
Ayan, glitch doon. Masira yung CCTV natin. Check kay Sanchez yung CCTV. Bakit din?
Pati nga nung bangka. Kasi yung bangka. Camera.
Yun naman yung jeep dito. Ayun, no? Bilis.
Ayun, nawala ng pwede.
Ayun. Kaya ilalim. Hindi talaga makakaligtas. Yun nga eh. Kasing din driver. Sabi yung driver.